Why are we lagging like this though, man? It's too much, and we. Yes, what we saying, Wes? I have to shoot this around 2 seconds. Do 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 do. There we go. Wait, someone's at my door creating. 2 seconds. What we saying, boys? Oh, he's fucking on it. Jesus. He's so what you, man. It's actually fucking horrible. EG longs. I wouldn't long EG. We just had the pools of rates from the pound, which is quite bullish for the pound. The pools of rates, keeping them high. It's probably going to be there last. This creatine. Yeah. Lovely. I got out of EU though, man. I got out before the pound news. I got out at 1%. We was fucking around for ages, and when we start coming up to news, boys, you want to start really getting those trades closed, really. So yeah, I closed out at 1%. Who else got in EU? Yes, Vishal, what we saying, bro? You Shane, what we saying? Right, sorry, boys, I'm all sweet now. Yeah, lovely London session, man. Textbook Asia liquidity. Textbook. I just couldn't have TP at Asia higher to be a 1 to 7, but I mean I had to close out early anyway, just due to the news. Would you consider EU shorts? Not really. I mean, in terms of. We're still not really weak euro. I mean, it looks bare nice to short though, man. It does. But again, regardless, the reason why the TP's at the Friday 50, because then I would rather, if you're short in this scenario here, you want to be shorting above the Friday 50. So realistically, the buys were really nice to the Friday 50 if we had that effort, but price just didn't have that effort because the anticipation of the pound possible cut or pulls of rates. It was 6 to 3 as well. It was kind of close. That's kind of close. You've got to think there's only two more people on the other side to go to a cut of interest rates. I got in EU early, bro. Nice trade, nice one, bro. Yeah, we all got in early, man. If you was in the pre-London, we was in quite early. We was in quite early. But yeah, not much. The anticipation of the pound news, the pound interest rate news was pretty high. So that's why we're seeing price really midway through the trade just do piss all. But that's the. I feel like I mean, it's calm anyway. Like, again, I nabbed my 1%. I'm assuming a few people probably had like TPs at highs, maybe grab 1.5, maybe 2R. That's all you need, really. That's all you need. GJ, how did GJ get on? GJ ended up buying. That's what you said, Vishal, wasn't it? GJ bias was perfect too. Yeah, just no entry. Again, that pound news really helping as well. Actually, has it? Because it looks like no, didn't really. We already had that move before. Maybe it's an anticipation of it. Maybe. Is the yen bearish or is it just genuinely because of the pound? Because obviously that pound news is bullish. The okay, the yen basket is bearish as well. Really nice as well. This is the range he was looking at, wasn't it? Really nice. Still got the sell side liquidity as well to actually come and sweep that external low. So we still got Aries liquidity here, which is nice. But yeah, no entry, just far too strong. Again, mainly news based. That's what really didn't help it. GU moved beautifully to Asia higher, but that's because EG was targeting previous daily low until news happened. GU was probably the nicer one to get in today because of the pools of interest rates. Like the buys up were actually fucking well nice, way nicer than what the GU move happened better than the EU move, which I would not have thought what would happen with the fundamentals we got for the euro recently, but pretty bullish, man. I mean, again, EG bearish makes sense. That pound news is very strong. The thing is, though, there's still inflationary fears as well around the UK right now. Although interest rates have stayed higher, it's not necessarily the best thing because you got to tackle inflation, right? Bro, so what? Yes, what we say, a knit bag. Missed you by like 1 pip, ran to TP 35 pips, is like 5R. No way, bro. Let's have a little look at it, man. I didn't have a look at GU. But it did look clean because there were some nice fair values that we had. Oh, we're lagging a little bit. Nice trace on EG for the buys next week. Yeah, trust me, mate. What we saying, Dark, my brother, was good, man. What opinion on Euro USD? I mean, we're in New York session, right? So everything against the dollar's really gonna have a fucking huge maneuver. Is this what you missed by? Man, my entry would have been the same place, you know, if I was an EG. I'm happy I got an EU then. My entry would have been here. 13's already rounded for you, nice. Friday 50. See, yeah. See, that's probably what the trade I would have got in on if it was on GU. But even still, we didn't come back down. Quite unlucky for GU because GU had that perfect move to the prior day. EU had the entry, but just hasn't had the movement to the prior day yet. I still want to see Euro USD come to the prior day 50. To be honest, boys, this is a trade we was in this morning from the pre-London. I got out just before pound news. I was not risking it. What's the point? I'll take my 1%, walk away. But in terms of what's going to happen for New York, I still want to see it. Still want to see it to come to the Friday 50. But those pools of interest rates, I'll be honest, really made me want to get out with that EU. I mean, that's how I trade. It's either stop loss or TP, unless it's high impact news. That's really the way I go about news, to be honest. Don't be in whilst news is about. Use news to your advantage. I looked at GU because I expected EG retracement, but there was not GU entry. Yeah, that's unlucky, man. It was unlucky because it was well nice for GU. The manoeuvre, I'll be honest, everything about it was well nice, just didn't come into entering it. Like, literally everything about it was actually really nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it was really nice. Like, this impulsive move here was fucking perfect, man. And then what I loved as well was the trade above and the close above, like strong close above the DTO, which was lovely. Close above this order block, which had a fair value within as well. Yeah, it just looked fucking well nice. Just unlucky, man. It's unlucky. But yeah, EU's been my main focus recently. I mean, you boys probably heard me on every live. I've mainly been EU bullish for a bit, EG bullish. But now we're getting the pound becoming strong. And bearing in mind, boys, I know you're probably thinking, like, how does the pound affect EU? And it doesn't affect it that much, but you got to think, right, if money's going to something, it has to come from somewhere. So if a certain economy is looking more appealing, investors pour money from other countries to invest it in that country. So that's the exact sort of reason why you'll see EU decline, maybe decline or go up. It depends what people are taking the money out. Say if the USD is more risk, maybe the US stocks, US bonds are more risk. Maybe there's lower yield on it. Then you're probably going to want to go for you take your money from dollar-based portfolio all the way over to euro or pound, whatever it may be, right? But it does affect other markets. I think that's quite a key thing that people need to understand as well. Pound news will affect EU, inevitably. That's the thing. You don't know if it's bullish. I mean, you kind of can tell, because obviously it depends where a lot of people have their money in right now. If you look at the daily on EU, it looks like a reaction from the fair value. What are we looking on? The daily. Reaction of the fair value. Let's have a look, brother. This is what I've got on my... Wait, did you say EG? Or did you say EU? EU, I'm on EG. Again. That's what you call... TikTok can't see it, which is actually quite good. They can't see half of it. Horny. Oh, that's actually on wrong. I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks perfect. Lovely fill there. Come below the prior week 50, which is perfect. We'll see the reaction up though. Again, we'll see the reaction up. Bearing in mind, we took the prior day low. That's why I also really like this one, because we took the prior day low straight after. Like Asia took prior day low. When Asia takes prior day low, more time we trade in the opposite direction for the day. Obviously, depending on where the bias for the currencies, but for me, I'm more bullish EU than bearish. I'm considering EU shorts if we chock the recent low. Don't you dare go against me, bitch. Don't you dare go against me, brother. Pardon me. Have we had the trade through? Okay, yeah, we've actually had the trade through to the downside. That looks quite nice, for sure. I hope that's love. I hope that's beautiful manipulation. Mace, my first target for gold is 3360 from entry at 3374. My overalls is 3347. What you think? So, what do you mean by my overall? Oh, your last target. Okay. I feel like shorting gold is never a good idea in these markets. That's my first point. I'd say I don't think it's ever a good idea to sell gold in general, let alone. I mean, your trade. Wait, you for 360. I mean, yeah, you kind of are looking at it from like a long term. I don't know. You kind of not. I guess. You kind of not. But I would say in times like this, like you really want to be you really don't really want to be trading gold. If anything, buying gold's good. But I feel like spreads on gold definitely open up during these times as well, because a lot of people are buying and selling gold. But I would say you're better off with buyers, man. I know we look bearish on say the 1 hour down, but on the 4 hour up, we're still strong. We've recently nearly took all-time highs, so I feel like we're going to manipulate that high and manipulate the all-time high and continue higher. I could definitely see gold going higher, way higher, 3.5k minimum. I feel like. Bearing in mind, there's a lot of stuff going on right now, boys. And again, in these geopolitical situations and shit, you don't want to be going against the yellow metal. I'll be honest. Gold just an investment for me. Don't like trading it intraday. I like that. I like that. I do like that. Especially the thing is, I feel like it's a lot more fundamentally driven. So that's why I feel like long term is a bit more better. invest slash. I get why people swing it. Swings, fair play. Weekly to monthly swings. Okay, fair play. But I feel like that's the best way to go about it because it's very volatile. Very volatile. I've passed only ACG funded account, but let's go, Sam, boy. Let's go, brother. Exactly, it's just a save over. And it's the same as bonds, boys. Like, you don't trade bonds. Do you know what I mean? You don't trade bonds. You invest in bonds. It's the exact same thing. I missed the guy with a beard. What do you mean by that? Why do you trade London an hour early? Who the fuck would not trade London an hour early? Why would you trade? First of all, you need to get prepared for the markets, boys. You actually just need to get prepared, for one. And for two, you can't miss Frankfurt Open. If you miss Frankfurt Open, you're missing an hour of one of the biggest central banks openings in the world. If you miss that, boys, you're just being lazy, man. Oh no, I wake up at 8 o'clock and I trade London session. I don't even start trading at 7. I start looking at the markets at about 6:15 in the morning. 6 in the morning. Just to get prepared. Early bird catches the worm. Factual distribute from Colts right there. Colts? Don't know why I just called you that. Clips. Colt 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. Here you go through after dark and smoke this tub of sweet. Get up and get on the charts, tight and scruffy. That's the way, man. Even if you're still in your pyjamas and all that gang. Frankfurt Open is 7 AM UK. Exactly, bro. That's why we jump on an hour early. We don't jump on early, bro. We jump on when you're meant to. Do you know what I'm saying? Back in the day, yeah. Say for an example, right? You had to go down to an institution to actually put on orders. Are you telling me you would be there bang on, bro? You'd be there. You got to be there early. You'd be there early. Bro, mixed up my name, Clips and Holtz. Yeah, that's what I did, innit? I was thinking your last name, and I was thinking your disky thing. Holtz, Colts. That's lit. That's a sick name, though, man. Colts. It's German as fuck. Colt 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. Will ACG tell me to do an interview, bro? 100%, man. 150%. Yes, safe. What we saying, my cousin? My brother, how you doing, man? Why are you trading on bank holiday? It's a bank holiday in America, bro. I don't know if you noticed, but we're in the fucking UK. We're in the UK, brother. Why did they ask for an interview, lol? Because, bro, you got to bear in mind, right? A firm isn't gonna pay out someone who they. You could be an 11-year-old child for all they know. Do you know what I mean? Like you could be an 8-year-old boy. At the same time, bro, you got to realise prop firms don't want to pay you out. That's a fact. That's a fact. So just don't give them a reason to don't pay you out. They're like an insurance company. Stu made a very good point this morning, actually. And I'm going to steal that from Stu, but I'm going to give him his props. It was a good point from Stu. Yeah, true, but what if I don't pass the interview? Well, you kind of fucked there, bro, I'll be honest. More time, bro. If you failed the interview, man, I can't be rude on TikTok, but you know what I'm saying? You've got to pass that. If you don't pass that, man, you don't deserve your funded account, I'll be honest. Alright, boys, by the way, shout out to fucking dudes. Show tickers as well. Bank holiday. It's a bank holiday in America, boys. Boys, it's the only banks in the world open in America. It's the only... is the money only in America or some shit? You take any trades today? Yes, bro. I took this EU trade. I'm out now. I got out just before the pound news. But this is the trade I jumped in on. After 3:30 it will, man. Lovely. Thank God it's not 3:30 then, bro, eh? Nitbag gets payouts for the big H. Mum's at 8-year-olds getting scouted. Bro, if there's an 8-year-old who's getting payouts on my mother's life, I'm adopting that ute. I couldn't give a that ute is now mine, bro. You're taking the mick. Man, I'm purchasing that child, bro. That sounds okay, that was mad, actually. You know, I can't say this shit because of TikTok. So Nitmag, don't let me say that stuff, man. Oh, yes. I can same setup. yo, you man, I'll be real, man. Please try and like say shit in English, you know, because I can't understand. Normally I can't talk, man, let alone read out some of it. You seen the big news I sent on Discord? Yeah, man, that's huge, man. Boys, Safe got invited. Let me one of my members. Let me show you my Let me get this up. Can I show these man Safe? Yeah. I think that's quite cool. It's actually fucking lit. It's got your full name on it though, bro. It literally has your full government name on there, innit? I had the same setup. Oh, nice, bro, nice. My stop loss wasn't that big though. Fair play, bro. Where's your stop loss, man? Why are you not having a stop loss in the low? We're playing with fire, brother. Well, Safe, can I show it, yeah? You got full government on there. A full slushy on there, bro. I'm gonna shoot. It's impressive though, boys. Yes, sir. Say no more ack. Right, boys, let me show you this. I'm gonna read this out quick, because I think this is fucking sick. So this is one of the dudes, right? This is Safe. You should just there in the comments. I'm gonna read this out. I'm not going to say your full name. I hope this message finds you well. On behalf of the FTMO team, we would like to extend our sincere congratulations on your outstanding performance in your training journey and your exceptional work in financial advising. Jeez, the youngest in the business. Your results have not only demonstrated remarkable skill and discipline, but also reflect a level of consistency and insight that sets you apart in the training community. In light of your impressive achievements, we would be honoured to invite you to an interview with our team. The purpose of this conversation is to learn more about your journey, your strategies, and the mindset that has contributed to your success. We also hope to discuss potential collaboration opportunities, as we believe your experience and vision could be a valuable asset to the FTMO ecosystem. Please let us know your availability for the coming days so we can schedule a time that works best for you. The interview will be conducted virtually and will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. What a G. Didn't actually read this side. We look forward to speaking to you, learning more about your story. Come on, man. Alright, Safe's the next dude on FTMO's Insta. I don't speak retard. Oh, Stu, come on, man. Don't be bang out of order. Do FTMO do interviews when you pass? Not that I remember, bro. Not that I remember. I never did an interview for FTMO. Bro, do you use Buy a Bit? Buy a Bit. What's Buy a Bit, bro? Is that fucking like a watch or something? Sounds like a little watch. You trading with it being a bank holiday on the US? Yeah, bro. There's still other places in the world that have got banks. I can't say this again. I trade London, bro. I jump on New York session pretty much every day, just talking about the markets. I trade purely London session. London session isn't affected by US bank holiday. It kind of is, because less volume, but you got to think, right? If I'm trading 7 to 10 AM, what are people doing in America, man? Them man are deep in sleep. Oh, it's a crypto exchange. No, I'm not too sure, man. Yeah, that's how, bro, it sounds like a watch, man. I ain't gonna lie. Safe with serious motion. Trust me, man. Retrospectful. Love that. Are you BE now? No. Don't you dare put me to that level, brother. I do not put stop loss to break even. I've got a pair of testicles between these legs on my boys. If I ever put stop loss break even, may God just strike me down where I lay or sit or stand. instantly. Well, liquidity sweeps you trade off. I get stung on the lower time frames. I trade. I mean, just for a little background, I trade solely London session, right? So my liquidity, I base my liquidity either off prior day, prior week, and Asia really, an Asia session. Those are the three time. I like using time-based liquidity more than price-based, boys. I'm heavily time-based when it comes to theories, right? So I use the prior day, prior week, and Asia session liquidity, all time-based liquidity levels. Yeah, so in terms of liquidity, man, bro, use time-based. Time-based treats me so well. So well. And plus, for me, I feel like it invalidates a lot of trades. Like, for example, if I'm not below the prior day 50, I don't want to be buying. So if I'm above it, I don't want to be buying. If I'm below it, I don't want to be selling, right? I feel like a lot of times that's actually saved my ass so many times. I've seen so many good setups in the wrong bias, and they look so good. PA is doo-doo. I agree. We are going to start slowing down within the next hour. You got to think New York Stock Exchange will be open in about 45 minutes, so we are going to get a slow down of volume. But I hope that's. I mean, realistically, we still got UK open till 5, so we're still going to have liquidity. Not as much liquidity because we're in the PM now. But again, I think EU done what we wanted anyways. To be fair, it's not come to the Friday 50, but we've had the manoeuvre we've wanted. But what else are we looking at, boys? I'm sick of looking at AU. We're done. We've made our money. We've made our percent. I'm walking away with a percent. Don't know what you boys are walking away with. Who got in on the EU move today? I'd say for me, it was the move of the day. GU was beautiful, obviously, to the Friday 50, but at the same time, why are you trading USD bank holiday? Boys. I can't bother to answer that question, I'll be honest. I can't bother to say it again. It's true, innit? Why am I trading on a bank holiday? Got out 1% as well. Got 1%. Lovely stuff, boys. That's all you need. Run away, brother. That's all you need, man. No cap. I've got in an EU to lovely stuff, Sammy. Lovely stuff, brother. That's all you need, man. For me, that's it. Who's done for the week now as well? I know some of you, man, don't trade Friday like myself. Yes, Henry. What's good, bro? AB, what we saying, man? Sorry, boys. I've not even been chatting to the TikTok really. You still holding them buyers on EU? Nah, bro. I was closed. I was closed before Pound News. I was closed Pound News. Just shorted the top. What did you short, bro? Took 6.27% of ASR sweep. Nice. What pair is that on, bro? What pairs, boys? I don't know what pairs, guys. I need help. 1 to 2 a day. Keep the bailiffs away. No caps, dude. To be fair, if you're getting 1 to 2 a day, man, you're keeping. Man, you've got more problems than the bailiffs, man. You're gonna have. I don't know. You're probably gonna have the tax man on your ass. One to 3 means a sick. Yes, 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 yes. Did you get in EU today, Stu? You see the last bearish 3 candles? Oh, you shorted this. You shorted this. Fair play, bro. Hope it goes well for you. I'm new to trading. I'm on a demo account. Start with a bag. Now it's up to 1182. Nice, bro. What I say though, don't get too comfortable, man. I know it sounds like a dickhead, like just a knobhead thing to say, like. Calm yourself down, 556. What's all this animosity about, sunshine? It's literally Thursday. It's about 30 degrees, and he's annoyed. Calm down, brother. Chill yourself out, son. Fucking hell. I've been holding this EU for time. Just want to hit Friday 50. Yeah, Jim Cox has got Cox. That's all I'm saying, bro. Big respect. Try to find my trade 15 to 1 minute. Fair doozy, my boy. Fair doos. Bro, Bilal, you fucking with me now, brother. Bro, how, bro? Did you get your trade on GU? I didn't get a trade on GU, bro. Jimmy got bigger bullocks than us. Yeah, trust me, man. I'm trying to up 400 on the eval. Lovely stuff, Jake, man. Love to see it, bro. Lovely. What was it? The shorts on Nasdaq? I'll be real. I thought shorts have been the one for most equities at the moment. But for real, don't trade US dollar on US bank holiday G. Right, boys. Should we educate this little man then, or should we? I don't even feel like educating him. I feel like just letting him just keep that information to himself. Sorry, type him. Nah, I'm only joking, bro. I'm only joking, man. I'm only playing with you. I'm holding a U as well. Fair play, Hulksy, boy. You ain't even profitable, man. No, trust, bro. Mums. But was there anything else? Vishal, did you get in? Oh no, you wasn't able to get in, GJ, was you? It's unlucky, bro. Yep, target opening week gap. Lovely stuff, bro. Love that, man. Might have to re-enter a U. I'll be honest though, bro. I would only take it to the Friday 50, man. Got 200Ks and 350Ks all passed. Well done, mate. Congratulations. Well done to you. Where would you re-enter? Where would you re-enter, Vishal? Vishal moving like skull, innit? That's what I was gonna say. Vishal's sack is going. Vishal, you got your 1%, man. 2.4 for the re-entry. Nah, you're gambling, bro. No, Vish, you're gambling, like. No, slaps. Risco, I haven't seen his name in ages. He's here. He's on Vishal's account by the sounds of it. No, that was a via, my bad. Via of the highest order. Oh, man. If we see EUTP, I want to see titties. Are those 4-hour candles next to the long bit? Are those? Yeah, they are, bro. These 3 candles here. Sorry, you can't really see them. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. Fucking hell, how big is this thing then? Yeah, so those are my candles. Those are my higher time frame. I use these for CRT. I'm not too sure if you know what CRT is, but that's what I use. Send you an entry on Discord. I've got to see this. Is he going for it? Is Vishy going for it, son? Alright, boys, though, all we do is hit TP. Such a knobhead thing to say. All we do is hit TP. Someone punch me. Someone punch me here, innit? Bro, where's my Discord, bro? Oh yeah, I forgot I was showing that thing. Alright, let's have a look at this entry. I mean, it's actually not a bad re-entry, to be honest. It's not a bad re-entry. Trading EU on a US bank holiday is crazy. Yeah, trust me, because there's going to be no movement during the London session or the European session. I actually can't. I like that, Vish. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I actually like that. I mean, I wouldn't jump in, obviously, but we are top tier haters. No, man. The last skull. Oh, he's part of the familia, really. Next thing you know, bro's gonna start typing in cats. Oh my day. Bro, do you know how he did that one pre-London which actually didn't stop? I couldn't tell if he was actually taking the literal piss. Not only that, he thought to choose the... He decided to send all of his chart picks in like a horizontal orientation, so you just can't reach. You've actually got to proper bend yourself apart to actually read it. What indicator shows HTF is the Fabby. Fabby? Faddy. ICT HTF candles Faddy, bro. I'll be honest, you can have as many candles as you want. You can have up to 6 candles. I advise really just having a 3 though for CRT. Boys, it is a US bank holiday. That means that the dollar is going to be a lot more weaker than what it normally would. There's way less volume running through the US banks right now. There are 2 other huge central banks in the world, the ECB and the BOE, that are still open right now. You still got Canada, who are also open as well, who are a massive central bank. You also got the S&B, huge bank, huge interest rate decision. So boys, just because there's a US bank holiday doesn't mean you've got a time to be lazy, kick your feet up and be a little bedo. You can still trade EU, you can still trade GU, you can still trade EG. If there's a bank holiday for more than one, I'd say don't trade it. But again, we trade London session, we trade EU, GU. You got to think about it, right? Who in America is awake at 7 to 10 a.m? Who? Like literally who? Execution. I'm not gonna show my execution, bro. In fact, I'm gonna show YouTube instead. I'm gonna show YouTube instead, just for the. Actually, I can show that. Only the YouTube are gonna see the execution. Just because he asked. Just because he asked. So you're gonna have to join the YouTube if you want to see this, brother. Show the execution. Show the. I'll be honest, I don't know how to show it on One Trader, but I'm gonna have to try and show you somehow. One Trader is actually well hard to use. Boys, how do you find your trades on One Trader? Should come up on the chart, right? It's telling me EURUSD is unavailable. How can I show this chart? I can show you my phone actually. So again, I took this trade out at 1%. Here's the trade. Wow, the phone is way better. Why have I not used the phone yet, bro? Let me go on the lower time frame. So this. Let me see if you man. Can you men see that? See where the arrow is? Hope you man can see that as well as. I don't know if you can. But that's where we had our order. Tell a lie, it was way before that. Why is One Trader so hard to use? That entry is actually a joke. I just realised, yeah, my entry's down there. That's where we bought, boys. I'll be honest though, One Trader's fucked me about 3 times now, man. 3 times. I've had one trade that, I mean, you boys in the pre-London know exactly what trades I'm on about. I can't wait for the MT5 though, man. But what I would say, boys, if you are still in trades on One Trader, take him out, man. Take him out. He's going to be lurking for sure. Of course he is. Of course he is. Yeah, Skull. You're looking at EU longs. Well, yeah, well, not anymore, bro. But this was our position for this morning. What we had on pre-London. Skull, why wasn't you on pre-London, bro? You would have been with us, man. You'd be in on this. Yo, bro actually spawned though, bro. What the fuck? That the Bloody Mary thing. You say the name too many times, you fucking. She gam. But yeah, I would advise get out of your trades at 6, boys. If you're an optimal traders, because one trader. Well, optimal traders, because they are migrating back to MT5 now. Go on there, you get up there, you bitch. Michelle, did you re-enter? I think you would have got tapped in now in 1 minute. Did he go in, did he? Yeah, I've got in too. I tapped in. Man, you man are fiery, bruv. Like that. Love that, man. EU is shooting down. You still in this trade, mates? Nah, bro. I got in before the pound. I got out before the pound news, man. I'll get out before the pound news. I'll be honest. I've had a few trades this week, so I wasn't. Boys, you know me. I don't want to be fucking sitting in trade for too long. Like as soon as I was done with my workouts and all that shit, and my breakfast and taking the dog out for a walk, went and got my mum lunch. After that, I was like, right, I'm out of this. Especially before that news. Just wanted to get out before that news, and yeah, we got out, which was nice. But it's being really bastardy, innit? I mean, what have we got for the rest of the day now? Yeah, that's us for now. Lovely. Tomorrow, retail sales at 7 AM. Looking to be quite bearish for the pound, which ain't the best. Could see some good. Oh, fucking hell! Tomorrow could be delicious for Euro GBP. Not gonna lie, could actually be really nice. Where are we now? Where are we? Oh mate, this could actually be fucking on it. I'd be funny lads, this could be nice. Yeah, those retail sales does look quite bearish. We do want to see price continue down before that move up, and then we can start to see the manoeuvre back up to the upside. Again, internal, external, really going for this external high here. That's what I want to see. EG buys all day. Strong euro, weak pound due to retail sales dropping. Yes, Chris, I appreciate for the follow, my cousin. I didn't get out with the dog today. I left it too late, so it was too hot by the time I got my arse in gear. Yeah, I'll tell you what, fuck me, was it hot today. Is it hot? I have to take him on an evening one, yeah. I feel like my dog don't really like it though in this weather. Mate, fuck this being imagine being a dog in this weather, bro. I mean, to be fair, fuck being a dog in general, innit? But imagine being a dog in this weather, man. EG buyers, yeah. Tomorrow I'd say EG buyers, especially with that weak news tomorrow. I'm off, mates. Have a good day, weekend. You too, Shay, my boy. I'm on a pre-London tomorrow with the free members, innit? So I'll be there. I'll be in there tomorrow. I'll be in the Discord early, boys. To the free chat as well, not just to the members tomorrow. Friday I'll do a pre-London for everyone, innit? So if you're in a Discord, you can join that live stream. I'll be streaming from 6:30 to 8:30, so for 2 hours in the morning. Would you rather... Oh, Michael, don't do this. Not on fucking... Would you rather kiss a dog or... Okay. Would you rather kiss a dog or... stick it in for once... So I'm just going to do a 1 minute silence for the soldiers that died for people like Holtz. God bless their fucking souls. Jesus Christ. Wow. Would you rather kiss a dog or... Like, both of the options... One of the options is, like, really easy. Wait. Which one, though? Nah, yeah, you're Colts. Yeah, this is why you're called Colts, bro. This is the exact reason. Nah, but bro, it's only... You shut the fuck up, man. Jesus Christ. Nah, for real, man. Minute silence for all the fallen soldiers who died for people in our country. Because Jesus, they didn't even deserve, they should have gone to war, man. Jesus, with what's going on here. To be fair, Holtz, you sound German, actually. Holtz, are you German? You must be German. Lol, trying to hold you in it. With it, Stu, those questions aren't meant to be asked. Would you... Oh, bro. What type of question's that, man? But it's only one stroke, it's crazy. Man, you must be German. What the fuck is that about? But yeah, lovely strong pound, that's what we want to see. Again, there's not a nice 4 hour imbalance for us to go from, to go off of. Oh, okay, we've got daily imbalance. It'll be nice to see this daily imbalance get filled and then we see the manoeuvre up. I think that's a big move. Once you're committed. Yeah, but once you've... I mean, there's no commission, really. Because you just do it. You do it. You've done it. You do it and you've done it. You do it once, you've done it. Commission. Not the right word. Not even a word. I've got bare ethnicities, bro. But yeah, Grandad's German. Yeah, I thought so, man. What are we going to do with him, boys? What are we going to do? Well, to be fair, we've already done our job. Job well done, eh, boys? Job well done. Job well done. Committed. Ah, that's it, bro. Committed. Committed, you know. Do you know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's crazy work from Stu. Stu has a dog. So, now I'm wondering what was really... In it, bruv. No, facts. Oh, man. I don't even want to know type shit. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't want to find out. Hey, you do what we want. Fly off. Give us some pros and cons. Sick fucks. Oh, sick fucks are we, Stu? Sick fucks. Now I'm wondering what was really going... Yeah, facts, innit? TMI. Man, what the fuck? Oh, man. Oh, shit, my phone is low. Bro, why are my phones never charged, bro? Yeah, that is a red card, man. Man said you can give red cards, bro. That's fucking sick. I didn't know that. Yeah, C-stroke. I took, oh, I've got hair all over me, man. I showed my beard and I've got hair all over me. I just got a comment on one of my TikToks. I'm not G-A-Y, but great skin, bro. Yes, boys, obviously. I'm about to jump online in about 2 minutes, going over the buyers for any page, please. So you man like noticed the fucking good skin, but not the hat. No one's actually complimented my hat yet. In fact, I'm gonna go get it, and I want some compliments, innit? Went for a JB style. I ain't got no compliments on this shit yet. Yo, boys, throw me some fucking compliments, bro. Especially after this bossing AU thing. Yeah, tough. I'm just getting banged in the mouth by someone wearing this, bro. That's actually peak. Coming soon, innit? Look at the free chat, mates. Oh, see, I don't like when you say that, Stuart. Don't like it, because last time didn't end too well. But every time I come on TikTok, I see you in the same trade. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? This? Imagine sunbathing in a foot. What? What's going on here? Oh, is he a dog? Yeah. I thought you clipped something. I didn't like the sound of it. The same trade as I've taken. Yes, come on, Mohammed. Love that, bro. You must trade a bare similar strategy, man. I'm assuming, did you trade Asian liquidity or something of a sort? Man, he must be bare hot, bro. You're just looking at that water as well, just trying to cool down. You smoke canny and trade? No. Boys, I only trade from 7 till 10. I'm not bunning at fucking bare early in the morning. I don't bun in the morning. I've got a lunt to 2 on. I've got a lunt, bro. This is what I mean. Fuck. Bro. What the fuck? What are you saying there, Skull? Every time people do that, it malfunctions shit, man. It malfunctions my brain. I got a lunt to 2 on EU, mates. What do you think? I got a. What? Imagine you could get in the same trade every day, innit? Yes, Phoenix. How we doing, man? But that's just what it is. He's always typing with his feet, innit, bro? Oh, I can imagine the Skull doing that, no cap. Actually, very good, bro. I'd be on Mars if I boat and trade. Yeah, no, man, it's crazy. I don't even bun straight after I trade, man. I bun that sort of midday. I get bare shit done in the AM and then I'll turn on and jump on stream. I'll bum one and jump on stream. That's all I'm gonna do. So if you man think I'm like probably actually pretty smoked in these lives, I am, innit? There's yeah, I am. Every time I stream, I'm well, not in the pre-Lundies, obviously. How does that even make sense? No, it's just because what you said didn't make sense. What did you mean, Scott? I actually want to answer your question. I got a lunt to 2. What the fuck do you mean by that? Sorry, Mace. I like the new CRT3 video. Thank you for posting, bro. Anytime. Well, it was Lou, but anytime, my bro. I'll let him know you said that, man. It's a very good video. I enjoyed it as well, to be fair. It's EU. Yes, bro, this is EU. It says down there in the bottom left. You might be able to see, you might not. Let me move this a little bit to the left. I think we're going to push much higher. Yeah, I want to see it come to that Friday 50, really, minimum. Which then has today been, bro? It's been good, man. It's been nice. EU's been really good today. The movement was really nice. Again, the bias of the strong euro against the dollar, that's what I've loved. Especially, honestly, partied with these girls are plotting, you know. Wait, what? Yo, you can never let birds plot, because their plots actually end up plotting. What bitch is plotting? Because that can't be working, that can't be happening. That can't be happening, gentlemen. If I was in the White House right now, that's exactly what I would say. In some Kennedy voice. You can't let it happen, gentlemen. Stu, I need to know what you're on about before I continue. Can't continue without. I got along on the EU to Weekly Tropin. Lovely stuff, bro. Where's Weekly Tropin? Higher, I'm assuming. Where the fuck is Weekly Tropin, bro? Oh, it's up there. Bro, am I blind? Yeah, nice, bro. I mean, fuck me, you're aiming for the literal skies, but That's what our mum has told us, right? Aim for the reach for the stars, bruv. I'll be real, man. You're asking how long are you planning on sitting on that for, Skull? What time does pre-London session start? 7:30 or 8? Not PM, no. 6:30. Oh, so London session. Oh, London session starts at 8. UK opens at 8. ECB opens at 7. What's your entry based on? Asian liquidity, bro. Based on taking sell side sweep, trade through of the IFVG, and then obviously the trade back down to the fair value gap, and I'll re-enter off the 50%. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. What's this? Yeah, this is my trade I took today, bro. I closed out before the pound news because I didn't want to have. I'm not the type of person to jump in whilst there's news. I always jump out. So I got out just before, about 11:45, just before. But yeah, this was the trade we had early in the morning. We had this on stream this morning. What is WTO? WTO is the weekly trade open, pretty much the key. The pretty much opening time of the week over in New York. That's why it's kind of weird, right? Because it's Tuesday. And we use the quarterly theory for the weekly trade open, daily trade open. But it pretty much is just the key level of price, bro. Same as the daily trade open. Daily trade open's key level of price. Every single day there's loads of orders getting printed there, loads of stop loss TPs that are time based. You see price bounce off DTO bears, man. Right, bears, any pair, most pairs. I'll be so honest. Time frame. I'm on the 15-minute right now, but the reason I was looking at the 15-minute is because we took that prior day low liquidity as well. Is this your official, bro? I'll be real. We don't have an official TikTok because we just keep getting taken off, bro. Like the artificial TikTok got banned time ago. Like literally before, like when we was in Thailand. We was in Thailand for about 6 months last year, and we lost it as soon as we got to Thailand, innit? We had like an 80k TikTok, sick TikTok, sick community on there, bro. Everyone was sick. Bare haters as well, which made it even better, man. I miss the days, man, when we used to just get tested. Like, tested bears. Breaker blocks work amazing for me. Breaker blocks are lovely. Fair play, they probably work better. That's the thing, man. That's what I love about breaker blocks, IFEGs, fair values. Everyone uses them differently. But again, that just goes to show it's not about the strategy, man. It's all about the mind. You got a Discord, yeah, bro. We got a Discord. We got a fucking huge one. Yeah, we got a Discord community, boys. Let me show you. Alright, this is our Discord, boys. If you go to our Instagram. Let me get the Instagram. Okay, I'm getting bad notifications come up. This is our Instagram. I'm also streaming on YouTube right now, boys. You know what, boys? I'll be honest, like, these, if you want to keep watching our streams, I'll be honest, you actually need to sub to us on YouTube because we keep getting taken off of TikTok, innit? All the time. But we're always streaming on YouTube. Always. If you don't know what I look like, this is what I look like. I do look like I've got a constant stroke. But, oh yeah, don't worry about the left eye, I was born with it. What's your TP? TP's Friday 50, man. I'm just looking for that to come to the Friday 50 equilibrium. Once we come there, I don't know, we could continue higher. I feel like we've got a few people speculating to come higher. I'd say come in. I don't know, man. I think EU's difficult. If it's not in the morning, it's difficult. But we've got low volume being traded for the US right now, hence why the longs on EU are lovely. Strong euro. Not the strongest dollar at the moment from the economic standpoint. For the geopolitical events, it's the only thing that's really making I was about to say TikTok, bruv. Someone punched me in the mouth. If anyone in here can just punch me directly in my teeth, I'll open my mouth like that. I'll be like there, and you punch me right here, right there, bro. That would hurt so much, bro. Imagine getting punched right there. Let's see how much trim is after. Oh shit. I'll still take your mama. I'll probably still take your mama. I'll be up. I'm one of those dudes that get bare, fucking hell. How can I not string a sentence together? Yeah, I remember you're the only other guy that uses fundamentals on TikTok. Nathan, big up, bro. Come on, man. What a fabulous way to remember, man. I'll be real. That just goes to show how many little people use fundamentals, which I think is absolutely bewildering. What's the YouTube? The YouTube is Rich SFX, boys. Get to know. If you don't know, you're just homo. It's quite a good saying, actually. Get to know. If you don't know, you're a homo. Yeah, there's our YouTube, man. Yeah, Nathan's the only other guy. But yeah, there it is, lads. But we stream on there daily, innit? Yo, we missed the old good days on TikTok live stream. Man, I'll be real, I wish they could come back, but we can't say a thing on this application no more, man. We used to be able to say like pretty much anything. Like, I would not be able to stream. Like, it used to be funny when we used to get other people in as well. Like, we used to not collab, what would you go? You know, you should invite someone on, just some fat, but... See, I probably can't even say that. Hold on, I'm going to swipe up just in case. You can say fat. If you can't, bro, I don't care. I'm not going on this app anymore. Yeah, we should run a live together at some point. 100%, man. That would be sick. That would be 30. Where are you based, Nathan? Are you UK based? Teach everyone the realness. Trust me, man. It's needed, bro. It's so needed. When it must be my anger. Oh, bro, there's so many tunes I wish I could play, but YouTube just don't allow me, man. It's actually a violation. Yeah, South East London still. Yeah, fair play, bro. We're like North East. We're like Essex, North East. Break down this trade, please, for sure, brother. Rentals and chauffeuring, lovely stuff, man. Love to see you on the trading scene. So pretty much, bro, run a live together. Is that like gay or something? I know. I'm playing. Sorry, bro. Let me answer thingy first. So pretty much this trade was from this morning. Let's go all the way back from the beginning. Let's just get all of this off our chart. Let's go all the way back from when we woke up. So I do a stream at 6:30 in the morning to my members. I trade from 7 AM to 10 AM. This is the UK kill zone. Here I was looking for longs. I'm long euro. And I was weak dollar today because of the bank holiday. Bank holiday, less volumes running through the economy. Pretty much waiting for price to commentate at Asia low to confirm that sweep of sell-side liquidity. Benefit of price already at this point. Prior day low got swept. So we swept a very high time frame liquidity level, which to me is perfect. And I've seen so many fucking sessions, Asia sessions, where we've taken the prior day low and we've now come to the prior day 50. I can't even tell you how many times I've seen that happen. So I was not letting this one slip through my fucking crack. That's not the saying, is it? Okay, we're going to skip past that. I didn't mean to say it like that. I hope that doesn't somehow get me fucking banned. But I was using the 15-minute time frame because how my time frame alignments work. Liquidity wise, if I take 4-hour liquidity, I'm going down to the 5-minute for my structure. If we take daily liquidity, I'm going down to my 15-minute. If it's weekly, I'm going down to the 1 hour. And then if it's monthly, I look at the 4. Obviously today, I know that's a very cerebric 4, gonna have to get over it, boys. Is obviously the daily liquidity, right? To the daily high, so I'm looking at 15-minute structure in order to get into my trade. So I've got my buyers, which is buyers, white, economically makes sense. Euro's bullish right now. Dollar weakness purely from the bank holiday. Way less volume being traded through, helping EU push up to the upside. We've got a liquidity, we've got a bias. All we've got to do is get ourselves in the fucking thing. This is the painful part, boys. Bias is always all well and good getting your bias. If you can't get in, you're not going to make money. So again, I want to be looking at a 15-minute fair value, okay? Oh, well, in this case, it's a fair value, but I want to see this get traded through. Once I get a trade through here and I see a candle closure above, that's when I can confirm that this is now an IFVG. So it's inverted. It's now an inverted fair value gap. And now I can use that to obviously confirm my new bullish structure. After we have that IFVG, I'm now looking for a fair value gap. First of all, we need to actually trade through the thing. Boom. Sell side liquidity swept. Perfecto. And then we get the trade through the 15-minute fair value IFVG. Once we've had this next candle close, which is here, I'm going to let the next candle run, I'm looking for the fair value gap to actually enter, right? I don't want to enter off the IFVG. I personally like entering off the fair value gap afterwards because I like the way price gets magnetized towards it. And again, of data I've seen so many times where I've seen trade through of the IFEG and it not give us a fair value gap on the other end, and then prices just collapse and we've continued to the downside. Sorry, I had to cough. I am a heavy canny smoker. So yeah, I'm pretty much looking for my enter off that 15-minute fair value gap. My entry's looking beautifully here. I always enter off 50% because I want to get a better entry. Don't ask why, it just is what I do what I do, type gang. 14 pip stop loss, always round it to the nearest pip. But you lose a bit of profits, couldn't give a fuck. Literally couldn't give a... Oh. We've done something wrong. Okay, we're looking at a bit. Some people probably think, oh, it's a big stop loss. Right, fuck it. Who gives a fuck? Why would I have a tight stop loss and possibly get... The only thing, and this is the someone said that this is a big stop loss. This is not a big stop loss. Why? Because what would invalidate this trade here is if price moved below this low. Alright? If you got your stop loss here, right, just because you want higher RR, just because you want more profits, you're going to get stopped out. And then price could still continue in the right direction and your analysis would be correct. Only time this would be invalidated is if this low gets broken. So your stop loss should be on this low. Because if it takes that low, then that means your trade was not valid. So, do you know what I'm saying? You've actually let it have the breathing room it actually wants. I'm only aiming for the Friday 50. It was only 2.5 to 1. But I'm not a greedy little bastard. I've traded for enough time to realise that's all you bloody need. And then yeah, we got entry pretty much straight away. We saw profits pretty early, which is great. I love sitting in profit, which obviously keeps that morale up during the trade. Very, very... what I like to call this, I've started to call this different now. I'm going to start calling this the woman section, right? Women love to... They don't know what they want to do, right? They have no clue. They never do. Let's be honest. Let's just be honest with each other, right? So even probably women in here, let's be honest. Even the birds, if you're in here and you're a woman, let's be honest. You don't know what you want to do, ever. You're always so indecisive. You don't know if you want to go up or down. You don't know if you're sad, you're happy. You don't know if it's time for you... Well, I'm not going to continue because it's definitely going to go down a bad route and this live would end imminently. But yeah, consolidation. We've moved up to about 1 PM. Sorry, I must be heavily... I can't say that word. It came up to 12 PM. Where we had the GBP news, which is looking bullish for the pound. Obviously, you're probably thinking, mate, why would you close before? It wasn't Euro news or dollar news. Shut the fuck up, first of all. Don't want to hear it. Lol. But really, the reason why is because if the GBP's bullish, money needs to come from somewhere. There's going to be people buying the pound, but money doesn't come from thin air, boys. Yeah, come on, we're not. I wish I could say that word because it means so much. It has so much in it, but I can't say it. It's annoying. But yeah, if money gets poured into the pound, you got to think, where's the money coming from? Good question. Where is the money coming from? It's coming from the other currency. So it's going to come from euro, or it's going to come from the dollar. Okay, or it might come from something else. It might come from Zimbabwe dollars or fucking Yannan or so. God knows. But it's probably going to be coming from the euro or the USD. So you're going to get a negative effect on the euro. And as you can see, we did push up first because initially it was bearish for the pound, but then we had that push down and I was quite happy I got out. But I managed to get out here, took my 1R, I'm happy. I already have had a few trades this week. So I was out, yeah, pretty much here. I wanted to get out before the news. I'm not a greedy little mucker. But yeah, that's pretty much my trade, boys. This is the reason why I don't do case studies, because, again, probably would get banned on the platform I get. Put it on. I hope you liked my case study. Name a session indicator. If you say it one more time, I will not be giving you the session indicator. I dare you. Say it one more time. Oh, well, you're not getting it now. But that's your own fault, certified sire. It's your own fault, pal. Lol. How many are in your mentorship? Top of my head, bro, I'm not actually 100% sure. I'm not about 100 odd people. Why exactly GBP turned bullish? Bank news were dovish. Dovish. What's dovish mean, bro? How is it bearish? How is it bearish news? Pools of interest rates not bearish. Pools of interest rates is holding of interest rates. It's bullish. It's not as bullish as hiking interest rates, but it's bullish. Hence why EG come down. Hence why GU still continuing up strong. I'm not telling you what I'm actually doing. That's for sure. When was your last payout? Oh, too many personal questions here, Tommy boy. So you're getting to the personal side now, brother. Are you HMRC? A A pause is normally bullish for currencies. Exactly that. Isn't a sweep and market structure shift and then looking for fair value gap to enter good enough? For me, bro, that's my strategy. That's the way I trade. Boys, if you let that go over your head, bro, I actually just dropped my whole strategy. I'm not gonna lie, I actually did drop my strategy. Well, there's a lot more to that that's in the back of my head, which obviously has to be held back, but only the members will know that one. If you're a member, you got in this trade, you know why you got in this trade, your gas you got in this trade. But I don't IVG. What do you mean, sorry, bro? I don't, yeah, you're going to have to say that again, I'm not too sure what you mean. But I don't get IVG. What do you mean you don't get? What do you mean, brother? But one member more voted to reduce rates than expected. Was supposed to be 72, was actually 63. Yeah, it was close. That's why I said it was close, sir. Well, I'm not calling you sir. Fuck that. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm not calling you sir. Ain't no blood clot. Fair play, you know your shit. Always, bro. I'll be honest, man. I'll be honest. I've been training for a decent amount of time. I wouldn't be on here advising you if I wasn't. I know there's a lot of people in this app, boys, that do. You're probably thinking, who the fuck is this guy? He's the exact same. He's just at home, just trading. But to be honest, boys, I'm one of the. I don't want to say it, man, because I hate saying it. I'd rather people say to other people that I'm a real trader. I'd rather not have to say it myself. It just sounds fucking stupid coming from me. It's just annoying I have to say it. I don't understand the concept of inverted fair value gap. I'd say, bro, do some research. Pretty much what an IFVG is well, okay. I can't bother to go deeply into it, bro. I'll be so honest. This chart is Euro USD, bro. It just says there in the bottom left. The chat might be in the way a little bit, actually. But in terms of IFVG, pretty much, do you know the concept of like a change of character? Very simple structure. Just a change of character, right? So as soon as we get the heat is getting to, bro, facts, James, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm dripping, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm actually soaked, bro. No, I ain't that peak. Well, I say that, bro. I'm wet, bro. Okay, I didn't mean. I'm wet, bro. That sentence should never be said, like ever. Did you have a beanie on? Yeah, I had a beanie on. But yeah, in terms of IFVG, it's pretty much like a reversal. It's like how you could notice a reversal through structure. Same as like a change of character. For me, I like it better than a change of character. I used to change of characters for a good year, not longer than that, 2 years, 2.5. I don't know, fuck knows actually. Yeah, 2.5. And then I come through IFVGs, and IFVGs I forward tested them, and they worked a treat. Fair value gaps, man. I love them. Shit, I fucking love them. Man, I might call my kid IFVG. Bro, I might fuck around in. Yeah, bro, I might fuck around in. Okay, I'm not gonna continue there because I should know what route this is gonna go down. It's not gonna go down well, is it? Make sure you know about my man. Whoa! Don't you dare, Skull, man. Don't you dare do this to me, brother. Don't play me at my game. I do though. Good friend, man. What session do you trade, bro? I trade purely London session, my man. Best step 1 evaluation. I'd say don't go for one step, bro. You're gonna get just awkward rules. I'd say if you're gonna go to pass a challenge, just do a 2-step. The best account, boys, I'd say ACG, 2-step, bi-weekly payouts, no spreads. You're done. Easy. Don't go for anything else. Just go for that one account. Once you've got that funding, then maybe go to FTMO or go to anyone else. But go for ACG. Better spreads than FTMO. Not gonna lie, way better spreads. Yeah. Yes, Khalifa, my fucking family. Damn, having a daughter with the word gap in her name is no. Yeah, true, same, man. Gap. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Man, I might call my kid Fair Value Gap. Fuck it. Like a triple-barreled name. Why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? What a stupid thing to say. But target age or height also would work, I guess. What are you... Sorry, what was you talking about, Cess? Sorry, C-stroke? Looking out for that. Cessy. Cessy. That sounds bare homo. Do you reckon you can say homo? Sure you can say homo, innit? It's not really like a known one. Who's still in this, man? I bet it's actually man still in this, isn't there? Been in it for hours and hours. Any cheat codes and passing evaluations for your chess? Let's not test it. Yeah, trust. Let's not test it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even going to say it. No cheat codes, bro. Not a single cheat code in trading. Well, the secret to trading is get as much money as you possibly fucking can. That's the secret. In terms of passing challenges, man, there's no secret. I mean, let's be honest. Like you can easily arbitrage it, really. Like do one challenge from like fucking ACG, one challenge from FTMO. But like one that's unethical and you probably get found out. Actually, you probably wouldn't actually, but more for the fact that you can't actually fucking trade. Do you know what I mean? You can't actually trade. So what's the point? I mean, to be fair, I get it because the psychology is good on a real account, really good. The lessons you're gonna get on there. Excuse me. Yeah, trust me. He uses full fuck this. Fuck this. Roughly, how many trades a week are you taking? I'll be real, bro. I wouldn't even look at my portfolio. I would not look at it from a weekly perspective. There's some weeks I don't have trades. There's some, bro. I've had months this month where I've not had a trade. So yeah, in terms of this year, I've had pretty much a trade a month, just over a trade a month on average. Yeah, boys, use the code Richess. I've completely forgot about that. We've actually got a discount code with ACG. We're actually affiliated with those boys. Whenever you use our code, wow, wait, hold on. Oh no, best handwriting I've ever done. That's in the past. It's in the past now. But yeah, whenever you guys use our code, we do giveaways in the Discord for accounts. Our most recent one was a 200k ACG. If you boys are not in their Discord, man, get the fuck in there. Like on a gang shit, actually get in there. It's all about the dicks. What are we on about, bro? Is TJR a real trader? I don't know, man. I don't actually fucking know. He made a lot of money from crypto, I know. But I'm not sure, man. I mean, I to be brutally honest, man, I don't really tend to look at what other people are like. I've never really looked at TJR, to be honest. I follow him on TikTok and that, but just because I think he's fucking brilliant. 98% of traders lose money. Just go casino and gamble. You have the same odds. I'm just gonna say yes to that. Everyone listen to Louis. Or Louis. What do you think about risking 2 to 3% during challenge? Nah, man, don't do it because you're forcing it. You're just forcing it. I'll be honest, boys. Don't pass a challenge to pass a challenge. I know that sounds weird, but don't pass a challenge to pass a challenge. Pass a challenge so you can actually fucking be profitable. I can't find your ACG link. I don't think we got a link, bro. We don't have a link. We just got a discount code, innit? We've just got a discount code. It's just all capitals, Rich S. Get out of fucking replay mode now. I've never seen any of his serious content. Yeah, trust me, innit? Hey, Rich S, what strat are you using? Asia Liquidity, bro. You just used the code Elliot at checkout. What the fuck are you on about, bro? Elliot. Mate, you trade futures? Nah, man. Fuck no. Hell no, boy. I've only ever traded FX, boys. So I've never needed to change over. For your Friday giveaway, how does one participate? Just be in the Discord, bro. I'll be honest. Just be in the Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord, innit? We do them every like 2 weeks. Or every month. I'll be honest, boys. We do it. We normally just do it when we get given an account from ACG, and then we'll grab a few other accounts from other prop firms. I'll send him to use the code to check out. His name is Elliot. Oh yeah. But you said it in a bare... Why am I blurred out, bruv? You said it in a bare weird way. You put like the Elliot in like the bit where you shouldn't have put Elliot. Just use code RICHS. Like, can someone who's not like a complete... can someone who's not a complete reader... Fuck, I wish I could say that. Like, I wish I could have fucking said that. But yeah, bro, just use code RICHS, man. You from the UK, bro? Can I ask a question? Yeah, I'm from the UK. For real, ask me any question, bro. When was your last payout? Too many questions, man. Too many questions. Boys, you can ask me anything, can it? Just not personal questions like payouts and shit. No, I don't talk about payouts. We don't talk about payouts. Be my language. What firm do you use HFT? Optimal, bro. Optimal. Hopefully Aqua funded soon. I've seen those dudes. But obviously you just need to pass their challenges with the bot. So pretty much need to do our testing first. I use Do Prime. What's Do Prime? What's that? That's a bare cool word. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, Stu. Stu coming through rounds as well. Why? Because I just don't want to show payouts, bro. I mean, I don't want to talk about payouts. Fuck me on that. Yeah, trust. I just realised you actually did fuck it up as well. I know you didn't. I know, yeah, you did. Oh, yeah, you did. Wait, no, did you? No, you're good, man. Or did you? No, I just don't talk about payouts, bro. No need to. I could do HFT, gonna do the promo video now. Yeah, that's what I was seeing, bro. That's why I wanted to jump on it. Optimal traders, bro, not optimal funding. Do you have proof that you're profitable? Yeah, bro. I've got proof. I mean, I'll be real, mate. I'm live every single day, innit? You can come watch me live every day. There's no better. I'll be honest. There's no better way to find out if I'm profitable is watching me trade type shit. Like, let's be honest, bro. Anyone can get a payout. Like, your nan can get a payout. Like, facts. Your nan could get a payout. Everyone's got payouts, man. Alright, we're good. Yeah, yeah. I mean, Gunter's doing it, and they've actually got good reviews, innit? So, that's what I was looking on as well. They've actually got quite good reviews. I have to look a proper read over them. I only had a quick skim. Yes, H, what we saying, bro? My brother Harry, my man. Just seen your CRT video. I use CRT as my own bias and good to brush up on. Yeah, mate, it was great. Great video from Lou there, man. I ain't gonna lie. What is the velocity and density percentage of each candle, hon? Whoa, Claire, you're going way too deep into these candles, man. Whoa! Claire, calm it down. Velocity and density, bruv. Holy goddamn shit. What the fuck? What are you doing? Science, bruv.
What the hell? What the hell you playing at?
Yeah, Lou Live 8. Well, it was about 8:30 to about 10. So I'm just an order flow girly. Man, I love that gang.
What?
Magical fairy. I can't tell if it actually is a woman or not. 2 Yankee candles, yeah, trust me. That's what she's on about, bro. The fuck? He's got them from your bits. He's an Essex head, I'm pretty sure, but he's not from my bits, man. He's probably from the other side of fucking Essex. The Brentwood side, the Essex area. You know, you can tell these men are from Brentwood, bro. You know what I'm saying, like? And he's come from a bit of money, I'm pretty sure, so holy goddamn shit, he would not be from my side of Essex. Both session highs been swept, yeah. L slap at all account. I'm a girl, haha. Alright, cool. Sometimes I've got to make sure, you know what I'm saying? I'm from London, love Essex, lads. Okay, this conversation's ending here, Claire. Conversation's ended.
Conversation's over, Claire. Conversation's over.
Right, matey. Now the man's coming out. Now the dude's coming out. Oh, Fez, bro, you ever met him? Nah, man, I don't know him like that. I think my boys know him, but no, I don't know him like that, man. I'm not really a people person, boys. I'll be so honest with you. Put that beanie and face cam on, she won't stick around long. Just need to put the face cam on, take her 2 minutes to realise I don't know what word I can use. Honestly, don't know. TikTok really restrict my words. Facts, bro. Arab. No, I don't look Arab, man. Don't put it. I don't look Arab. Is the market's not dead being about? It is now, bro. But you got to think it's only a bank holiday in the US. Now New York session, late New York session, 2:30 onwards will be quite short. So now he's slowing down, as you can probably see. He's been a bit anal. Alright, Holt, you're actually the kind of guy to kiss and tell, bro. Hit a fat long on EU this morning. Love that, man. Where did you get in, Josh? I've been hearing that song Bears recently. Wait, mates, what's your ethnicity though? I'd give you Italian. Fuck. Bro, allow you, man, bro. What do you mean Italian? Fuck them, man. Are you taking a mickey? No, I'm not. No, not Italian, bro. Yeah, just like gym membership barcode. Trust me, bro. No cap. Literally, innit? Now sat having a fat Toby Carvery. You're eating a Toby Carvery this weather. Man, someone actually researched this dude, bro. Josh, you know how criminal that is? Bro, why don't you go bathe in lava after as well? Holy shit. Do you just want your body temperature to be above like 150? Not just internal, external. Holy shit. And I got banned. I've been banned. Right, let's have a look if that's a permanent ban then, shall we? Let's appeal it, just in case. Probably not going to work. Let's have a little look. Are we perma-banned? Or are we alright? Oh, we're alright. Oh, we're safe for the moment. Safe for the moment. Wait, do you know what's well annoying? I've been on this stream for 1 hour, 29 minutes and 30 seconds. Bro, I had 30 seconds left and I would have gone, boys. Man, what a joke. Nobody built like me. Fuck no. I ain't trying to be built like you. Toby Carver in this weather, man. You're crazy. Bro, I'm having ice pops every hour, bro. I'm having fucking slush puppy ice pops every minute. Every hour, even. What happened to TikTok, lol? Good question, Cole. What do you think, pal? Huh? I always get banned for nothing. Didn't even say anything. What did I say that was wrong, boys? Give me one. Wait, give me one thing I said wrong. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll be waiting. Give me one thing I said wrong in that whole live. By the 0 comments, I can only assume I didn't say anything wrong that whole entire stream. So it just goes to show that TikTok is just bullshit, bro. There's no reason to ban us. No reason. But we're about to hit TP on this trade though, man. So who gives a fuck? No, go on. Continue up, EU. Go on. Go ahead. Something like that, surely. You wasn't interested in Claire, she got you shut down. Yeah, what a fucking whore. At least I can freely talk now. What a dumb bitch. Eating a Toby Carvery. Do you know what I mean? Claire reported. Yo, Claire, I'm going to make you shave off your hair and kiss my sack from the underneath. Just like from the... Sorry, bro. Okay. I get why I get banned now, okay? I understand it. Makes sense. Go on here, you. Trust me, man. Fucking ride it, Rev. Let's see how that appeal goes then, eh? Let's see how that appeal goes. How's the wear on the carpet? What? We didn't get banned though. Well, what? We did. We literally just got banned, Mason. There's no... What are you on about? We've just been banned. It's not maybe, it's not no. It's yes, we've been banned here. It's alright though, boys. At least it's not permanently banned. Bro, someone told me you and El Slapo are dating. No. 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 Did my CNF comment get censored? Probably. What do you mean CNF? CNF. CNF. CNF? Just can't like this. What the fuck is CNF says, man? Dirty C. Oh, right. Yeah, no, we didn't see that. Definitely got filtered. Once I finish me, then I'm gonna go to add it to the profits chat here from TP. Love that, bro. Man on man F. Man on man F. What the fuck? Dirty C, man on man F. I don't want to know what the fuck you said. That's what a good first date idea. Yeah, what is a good first... what's a good first date idea? Good first date idea. I'm pretty romantic, aren't I? Oh yeah, good idea. Clips any in it. Are you gone backwards? Yeah, are you aliens about to fall out? Right, boys, I'm gonna jump off now because I need a zoo. Toby Carvery. Toby Carvery's crazy. Slaps your single one. Toby with an EY. Do. Toby Carvery. Right, boys, I'm a dip out. You man, love you all. I'll see you man tomorrow in the morning. Again, I'll be on stream for the free chat, so I'll see all you boys there, man.